Hi, welcome to my channel.
My name is Denzel and his name is
Liam.
And today we'll be reviewing the storable airplane made by Inkpot. Here's the blue version, as you can see.
And
we
the
got
green.
4 cars, one car over here, somewhere, and we have a helicopter. On the back, we have a camouflage style cars, and of course, one vehicle and another airplane. You're ready to open it?
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa!
That's
Whoa.
the cars.
Look, we got our cars here.
And now
So, I guess looking from these cars, we got the blue version. So, the camouflage version comes separately. You ready to get the rest?
Yeah.
Wait, let me show this to everybody, okay? So first, we've got our truck, our tow truck. This holds the truck. We got our helicopter. We've got our Jeep. We've got our police car. We've got our fire truck, I'm supposed to. We've got our police van. Alright, you wanna open it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open it. Alright. Okay, you're gonna pull 3. Wait. Oh. You're gonna pull my hand. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Oh, look.
helicopter.
We got the helicopter. It has 2 propellers. We can go it to different sides, like this. We've got our police car. We've got a police Jeep. We've got our police fire truck. You can see we can spin this around. And we have our police van. Look how cool it looks. You can see the stuff inside. You can see the seats and everything. So now we're gonna grab this. What's this?
Oh,
Look, we've got our mat.
cool. This is well.
Yeah, we got our mat for our airplane and cars. Alright, so we've got this big mat. Whoa,
That's a
this
big one.
map is huge. Oh. Whoa.
That thing is huge.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Alright, so let's just put it here for now.
And-
Let's put all the cars on top. Okay?
and-
Wait. Okay, let's put all the cars on top.
Right.
And there we go. So now that we have our mat down, let's just set all these cars here. And now for the big thing. We have the whoa,
Oh my God.
the airplane actually. Whoa, Leo, wait. And got a piece for it. There we go. Whoa. Look at this. This thing's huge.
Another.
Wait. Before we continue, here's how you open it. You pull this side like this, the other side like that. And then it opens to show all the cards that you can put inside. For example, like this,
And then
you can put 1,
close it.
2,
Let me put the last one.
3,
4.
about 4 cars in here. That's how it looks.
And then.
Alright, let's just take it out for now.
Okay.
Wait, Liam. Alright. And there's another way you could put the cars in. There's a little hatch at the back. And you just pull this. Then you'll see what's gonna happen. You just grab a car, you go, and then go
up.
inside. And then it's in there. Look, you just fold it back up and you put it there.
And then you.
So now, look what it looks like. It's in there, right? And now, let's put this airplane together. Alright, so now we've got our sides. Oh, whoa. Wait, Leon. We've got our sides of the back of the plane. Let's see how we put this. Oh, we put it like this. We'll go like this. Wait, Leon, wait. Now we put the top. Put it like this. You wanna squish it? Let's screw it. We got it. Alright. Make sure we close it before it opens. Alright, see? It's good. Alright, now let's put the big wings. Whoa. Oh, it looks so cool. We've got our propellers here. They don't spin, of course. And we've got our second propeller. Alright, let's push it in. Ready? Oh, you know what? Let me do it, okay? But now that we've got our airplane complete, we can flip.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see. Let's pretend. Oh, let's put the helicopter in the middle. Let's just put it in the middle, as you can see. The big H. Now we have our cargo truck. We could put that. Where do you think we should put that? Here? I don't think so. Oh, you want to do it here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the parking lot. Now, let's do it in the police station. We're gonna put this fire truck here, along with the other fire truck. There we go. So we now have our both fire trucks here. Now we're gonna put our Jeep just in the street. We're gonna put this van near the police station. And you know what? Maybe this police guy is hungry. We're gonna put them at the bakery shop. So now we've got our big yes, we got a big airplane. And they're being called to go fly to another place, alright? So which car do you think it needs to go somewhere? That car? Alright. Put it in. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's open the hatch. Let's see. Whoa. Look. Alright, let's put it in. Oof, we got a car inside. Alright, let's see what else we could put. Oh, maybe the Jeep too. Let's put it in. Make sure you stuff it all the way in. Alright, let's see what else. You want to put the van in?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Put the van. Alright, that should put in. Okay, and how about, yeah, how about a fire truck? And we're full. That's it. So now, we're just gonna hold this. Close it. Close it. Sure it's good. Wait, let me open it. Oh. Let me just fix the cards real quick. Okay, now that we've got it finished, you can see our 4 cards that we put in. Alright, you want to fly it?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, you ready? Fly it. Ready for liftoff. Let's see. This Ooh. It's flying. Whoa. You guys need some help? What do you need help with? Oh, I guess we're gonna escort the cars outside and they're gonna go flying now. You ready? Alright, let's take it out. Now, put it open. Ooh. Whoa, we've got our 4 cars. Alright, I'll take this one. Whoa. Okay. Wait. Put this in the air. Fly it in the air. No, this. Okay, whoa. It's so cool. Alright, let's see. This helicopter is going to get the Jeep. We're just gonna put the Jeep back at the bakery. Now we're gonna grab the... Ooh, what's this?
Fire truck.
The fire truck. Okay, let's grab it. Oh no, it's almost gonna fall. What do we do?
You can do something.
Alright, we need to put it back inside. Alright, now that it's safe and secure, we're gonna put it inside. Make sure we close it. Wait. Now that we put it inside, we can drive, fly, and put it back down. Now that we have it back down, we can safely escort the last remaining car. Here it goes. Oh! It came out the wrong side. But look! Now, we could just close this. Alright, now that everything's fully closed, we could put it like this. And now, we could just drive around, you know? We could drive like this.
One car fell.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright. You grab one car and I grab the other.
I got two.
No, grab one. Alright. And let's drive. I'm gonna get you. Drive good in the road.
Jump in there.
No. Well, I'm gonna get you. What? That's cheating. Got you. I got Leo. What? No. Whoa, I'm so fast. No, no. No, that's cheating. No, you're cheating. No, you're cheating. You're cheating. You're cheating. Wow. He was just cheating. But now, can you get me with this? No, you can't. I'm so good. No, no, no. Oh! I almost fell down. No, 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 no. You can't get me. Oh. No, no. Oh no, he's gonna crash on me. No! Did you like this?
Yeah.
What did you like about this?
I like to fly.
What else? You like the police cars? What part of the map do you like? Oh, he likes the, let's see, restaurant? Well, he likes the restaurant, of course, since he's a hungry guy. Well, I guess that's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to share to your friends, and stay tuned for our next video. Alright, Leah?
Yeah.
Alright, bye!